Hello, Keith Rucker here at VintageMachinery.org. Guys, today, just a little quick short video here for an invite. Like I always try to do, if I'm going to go someplace to an event or something that's going to be open to the public, opportunity for meet and greet type of situation, I like to share that and let you guys know where I'm going to be. And there's two upcoming events that I want to kind of let you know about. And if you're interested and able to come, would love to see you, love to shake your hand and love to see you there. So first off, coming up really quick from the time that this video is posting, the Florida Flywheelers, an annual event that I've been going to now for several years, is going to be taking place down in Fort Meade, Florida. The dates for that event is February 19 through 22nd. This is 2025 when I'm filming this. Starts on a Wednesday through a Saturday. The Florida Flywheelers is a big tractor show, but this also has a huge swap meet. Which is one of the big attractions, reasons I like to go. Is there's a lot of good tools, a lot of really interesting stuff out there that you can pick up and buy for your shop or your whatever. Even your wives would enjoy going. There's stuff there for them as well. They got a little village in there. They got all kinds of stuff. It's just a really neat event. And if you're interested in that type of thing, I'd encourage you to come out for those dates. And there will be a YouTube meet and greet going on Friday and Saturday during that event, which will be February 21st and 22nd. The time for the meet and greet is going to be 11 to 1 o'clock, and that's going to be held at the machine shop, Ye Old Machine Shop they call it. It's kind of on the back side of the property. If you ask around, people can tell you where it's at. And 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock on Friday and Saturday. I will say up front, I will be there on Friday. I have another commitment on Saturday that I've got to get back home for, so I will not be there on Saturday this year. Unfortunately, I am planning on, I think, coming in on Wednesdays, get there sometime Wednesday morning, afternoon, and probably stay until after the meet and greet on Friday and head back home. But another thing, just great opportunity to come out. Hope to see some of you guys that will make a trip down there to go to that, particularly folks in the Southeast and Florida, whatever. It's really worth your time to go check it out. The second one, and I'm really excited about this one because this is one I'm going to be very involved in. As you guys, if you watch the channel a lot, you've heard me talk about ArnFest. ArnFest is a big event that we have every fall up in Illinois at the Illinois Railway Museum. Been going on for almost 20 years. I've been involved with that event since it started, the very first year, and I have been to every single one of them. This year, we're going to be doing something a little bit new and a little bit different. We're going to be offering an ArnFest South, which is going to be a springtime event. We hope this becomes an annual event. Something that we'll be able to do year after year, and basically have two of these events, one in the north and one in the south each year. The ArnFest South event is going to be planned for April 25th through 27th, and it is going to be held right here in my hometown of Tifton, Georgia, out at the Georgia Museum of Agriculture, where I do a lot of volunteer work. Again, if you watch my channel, I'm sure you've seen projects that I've worked on out there, even seen me working on things out there, the steam locomotive, the sawmill, and many other projects. You constantly see projects for the museum kind of pop up here on the channel. I'm really excited about this. This is going to basically be mainly on Friday and Saturday, April 25th through 27th. Friday and Saturday kind of be the two big days. And we're still working on the agenda for this right now as far as what all is going to happen, but we are planning on doing a lot of demonstrations, a lot of talks. We're right now trying to recruit some other fellow YouTubers to come in and actually be at the event for meet and greet opportunities, as well as maybe even give some talks and some demonstrations as well. Right now, as far as what kind of, just a few things that we tentatively have set up, I'm not going to say until it's set in stone, but we're going to do several things kind of around the museum. On Saturday, they are planning right now on running the steam-powered sawmill, so we'll have that going on Saturday. We're talking about, of course, the blacksmith shop will be open, and we're actually trying to recruit a couple of YouTube blacksmithers maybe to come in and do some demos on Friday and Saturday. We'll hopefully have more information on that coming up as we get a little bit closer. I'm going to probably do a walkthrough of our line shaft powered woodworking shop that we call the Variety Works. That's something I've never actually even featured on the channel. I really need to get over there and do a little video. It's really cool. Kind of, steam-powered, line shaft-driven woodworking shop. We can also run it off an electric motor if we don't have the steam engine up and running. Most days it's just running on the electric motor just from a labor standpoint. But we do have that line shaft-powered woodworking shop, and most of the machines in there I actually restored. I really did a lot of that work, or really all of that work, before I even started my YouTube channel. It's a long-term project that I've been involved in. And so I'm going to probably go down there on one of the days and kind of do a walkthrough, a guided tour of the woodworking shop and the line shaft power woodworking shop. You guys probably would enjoy that. The steam train will be running on Saturday. We've got Clark Easterling from Windy Hill Foundry that is said he's going to come over and actually do a casting demonstration. He'll probably either pour some brass or aluminum, probably some brass. We're kind of coming up with something cool that he can actually do a demonstration, show the molding process and the actual casting process there in person. I'm trying to think what else. There will be lots of other things coming on. Like I said, we are working on all that. On Saturday morning, there will be a big swap meet that we do out in the parking lot of the museum there. This is kind of a thing, if you are a registered attendee of the event, you can bring stuff to sell, or you can just show up and buy. I know the swap meet that we have up at the fall event is always a good one, always some really good deals there, always find some interesting stuff there. And I'm actually planning on, since it's going to be close by, I'm going to probably bring a whole bunch of my just excess stuff that I've got over to try to sell at the swap meet as well. There's a banquet that we do on Saturday evening that will be held at the museum, in the museum building. And during that, we will have a silent auction. There'll be all kinds of things. People usually bring stuff to donate to the silent auction. We also have maybe some vendors or whatever, or sponsors that give some pretty cool items. So we'll have a raffle that we'll do during the dinner that will be giving away free stuff, really cool stuff. So anyway, I hope that some of you guys will make the trip down to this. It's going to be, like I said, a nice little weekend gig. The museum is closed on Sunday, so we don't really have access to the museum on Sunday, but I'm going to probably do, and don't hold me to this right now, but again, more details coming out soon. I'm going to try to do an open house here at my shop on Sunday from 9 to 3 or something. Kind of a drop-in things where people can come by. You're going to be in town. I know a lot of people want to come see my personal shop where I do a lot of my filming at. So I'm going to probably try to do that on Sunday. And you can just stop in for a little while, take a visit, take a look, visit for a little while, and get on your way headed back home or wherever you're going to, just kind of at your convenience on Sunday. So action-packed weekend. If you're interested in attending the ArnFest South, there is going to be registration for that. You need to go to the ArnFest website. I'll put a description for that down in the description, or put a link to that down in the description. That's also, I'll put it right here on the screen. You can go there, you can get registered for it. We really do like for people to pre-register just so we can kind of get a good head count, so we know how much we need for meals and all that. We will provide a lunch on Saturday, probably just a little box lunch or something, so you don't have to actually leave the museum. Friday will kind of just be on your own. There's plenty of restaurants and stuff there in town to do that from. So again, please come out. If you've ever wanted to come see the museum, this will be a great time to do it. And like I said, I'm hoping that we're going to be able to recruit some other YouTubers to come in, kind of like we do at the Barzy Bash. I'm just now starting to reach out to folks on that. If you are another YouTuber and you want to come, shoot me an email. Here's my email address. It pops up at the beginning of all my videos. And we can see what we can work out there as well. We'd love to kind of add some of those guys to the list and get some of the other YouTubers advertising this event as well. The proceeds that come from ArnFest, both the fall event and the spring event, are used to support both the VintageMachinery.org website, where we host all the manuals and all that kind of stuff. There's quite a bit of hosting cost in that, a lot of bandwidth involved in that site. So we basically, this organization was really kind of started to help support the VintageMachinery.org website. It also supports the OWWM, Old Woodworking Machines Discussion Forum, and really kind of the IT side of both of those, the hosting, the development work, etc., that goes along with those sites. Pretty much all of that is funded through ArnFest. So when you come to this event, you're helping out those websites to be able to continue to bring resources to hobbyists out there in the world. It's not coming to me personally. It's not coming to my YouTube side of things. It's really going to the website side, but that is helping me out tremendously. If you come to this, it really does help out in keeping those sites going. So anyway, go check out registration. Hope to see some of you guys at both of these events. And like I said, I'm really excited about the ArnFest event, ArnFest South, coming up again, April 25th through 27th at the Georgia Museum of Agriculture in Tifton, Georgia. So there you go, guys. That's all I got today. We'll have some more shop content coming to you real soon.